Okay, so this is my tall compost bin made out of a 45-gallon garbage can. Yesterday, as you can see all these ants, their little eggs? Yes, I've been having trouble with ants moving in here, and I have tried to chase them out with just water. I have gone in here and put a bunch of diatomaceous earth on the top a couple times, and I did that again yesterday before it rained. And then this morning, last night it rained again, and this morning I went to go check, and up under the lid were all of these worms. The lid is tight enough that they can't get under the lid. And after I took the lid off and saw them under there congregating, I had to go get my phone. So some of them are running down and some of them are running in. And I think I'm going to push the worms in and try to wash some of the ants out. So I got a glove and I'm going to grab all these worms and toss them in my compost bin so they can work on the compost faster. Let's see. No, okay, so that's not the best angle. What do I have? Let me find something to prop this up with real quick. Let's see, does this work? Better. I do not want to put this right here because I set the lid down. So you can see there's ants and worms on the lid. And this is my palette project that is still not done. Let's see. Is this gonna work? Almost. Okay, this will just have to be good enough. I need 2 gloves. I frequently, after it rains, find a bunch of worms chilling under my compost bin, but they don't get in. I don't know why they don't come in the holes in the side. These worms are small enough, but anyway. And I'm not sure if this is coming through really well, but there's a bunch of like worm castings all around the top of the bin where the worms were congregating underneath the lid, trying to get in. And I definitely want that in my compost. So, just going to keep on doing that. Oh, some of these are moving fast. Now I've got free worms in my compost. This is a little bit gross, but it's nature. Gardening is part of nature. Sometimes you just gotta put some gloves on and catch some worms. Alright, that's it. I hope that was helpful and informative and not super gross. Have a good day. Bye. The calm before the storm. Yep, here we go again.